Hi guys, so as you can see, I have created this mountain duck logo in the Adobe Illustrator. Now I wanted to apply some animation to it. So today we are going to learn how to prepare this Illustrator file so that we can use it in the After Effects properly. So now we can open our Illustrator file in the After Effects. Just by double clicking in the project section, we can see the folder of the file where we have saved that file. The folder will be open. Before that, we'll save the file properly. Now we'll just double click and open the file from the folder we have saved it. Just select the file and open it. You can see a pop-up where by default merge layer option is selected and import kind would be footage, but we want the composition option to be selected and click OK. So the mountain duck logo, the folder of mountain duck logo will be open in the project section. So we drag it in the timeline section, but as you see there is only Illustrator file, but it does not seems to be an editable file, as I wanted to apply some animation for the text as well as duck or star. So animation for the different section, but I cannot see the layer here, so I just converted it in the shape layer, but still I can see only one layer of the shape here, and when we converted it, it seems to be distracted. As we open the shapes, it will be very hard when we will be animating it. So now we'll do some other setting in the Illustrator file. So let's go to the Illustrator and just click. Means here we can see the layer, but we want all layers to be ungrouped, as well as layers needs to be separated in the library section. So first what we do, we'll just ungroup all the layer. Object, will expand the object and we'll just click on the OK. So the group of the text will get expanded. Now we wanted to separate all the font in the different layers, so we'll ungroup it, and as you can see here in the layer section, all the fonts are get separated, so we can animate it properly in the After Effects. Now we'll apply the same thing for the below text of the duck. So we'll just select the text layer, we'll go to the object, and again we'll select the expand, clicking on OK. The layer got expanded and we'll just ungroup it again. Now all the layers are got separated in the layer section in the right side of the panel. Now we wanted to separate all the stars, so we'll ungroup it. All stars are got ungrouped. Now we want the duck and the mountains needs to be separated, so again we'll ungroup the layer. Yeah, so both mountain and ducks are got ungrouped here. Now we'll ungroup the lines. All the lines will ungroup here. Now you can see all layers are now ungrouped, and we have separated it on different layers. So we'll just save the file, and after that we'll release all these layers to the different file. So all these layers are separated under the layer 1, but we wanted them to be on the top of it. So when we create animation, we can easily use all those layers in the After Effects. So yeah, the file is now ready, properly ready, and we have released all those layers from the layer 1. So we'll save the file again, and we'll go to the After Effects, and we'll just remove the earlier files which we imported, the timeline layer as well as the files which was saved in the composition. So again we'll open our file. Seems like the file isn't yet saved properly, so we'll go to the Illustrator again, and we'll save a file properly. Now we'll see, let's see, yeah, now the file is properly saved. So we'll open, we'll select the composition, okay, the composition file as well as the folder of all those Illustrator files. Those are the separate layers which now become separate Illustrator files are now ready. So we'll drag it to the timeline section. So you can see all those layers are now ready to use, but we can't use all those layers as it is, as we wanted those layers to be vectorized. So we'll just a moment. So few layers got came on the top, so we'll delete that layer first. So we wanted to create the shape all those layers. Yeah, so you can see all those layers now become the shape layer. We got an error, so okay, supported content, okay, no problem, okay. So we'll hide the top layer, and you can see the shape layer are now ready. So we can delete all those Illustrator file or the layers of the Illustrator file from the timeline section. So that will be easy for us when we will be using the file while for the animation, so that won't be distracting us. So that's why we'll delete all those Illustrator layer. Now you can see all those layers are now ready to use, and it's very easy actually to import AI file to the After Effects for the animation purpose. So here you can see you can just change the opacity or change the scale of the font or shape, whichever you select, and you can easily animate any layer whichever you want from here. I hope you guys learn from this tutorial how to import Illustrator file properly to the After Effects, or how to prepare an Illustrator file so that we can use it in the After Effects. So let me know if you have any concern, or if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.